years old.
Okay, who are you guys?
I'm Cream on my dog. I'm Anakin.
Anakin?
And I live with Han Solo and the Millennium Falcon.
You do? What about you, Maddox?
Anakin. What's up?
What ship do you live in?
Oh. He lives in Luke Skywalker's.
Interesting. And who's the bad guy?
I'm trying to beat Darth Vader. He's trying to beat you.
Is it the Emperor?
No, he defeats General Grievous.
General Grievous? Oh my goodness, Maddox. Is he a scary bad guy?
No, that's nice.
General Grievous is nice?
Uh-huh. No, he's bad, Luke. That's no bad, that's nice.
Hey, you guys talk nice.
Bad.
Well,
That's no bad.
How are you going to get him? What are you going to do once you get Darth Vader and General Grievous? What are you going to do to him?
Well, I'm going to push Darth Vader down and kick him and then jump on him and just step on his face and punch him in the face.
Oh, that's not nice. Oh my goodness. Well, I hope I'm not a bad guy when you guys are around. All right.
And I'm gonna kill Darth Vader with my magic wand.
What kind of talking is this? Okay, why don't you sing the song? Sing the Star Wars song.
Dun 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 dun.
All right, say goodbye, Jedi.
Bye.
Bye, Jedi Knights.
Bye.